so much harder than I thought it would be. After literally a hellish few days, we are finally in Spain and the Camino starts tomorrow. I actually cannot believe that we are here. The second that we landed today, I was like, I am in Spain. And like, how incredible and like unbelievable is that? We have just checked into our hotel in Sarria. We literally checked in and I took this footage of the hotel at like 10 o'clock tonight, and it was still like light outside. It was actually crazy, but I'm so happy that it's summer here because on our like 4-hour train ride over here, we got to see so much of Spain, and it's actually so unbelievable because a lot of it reminds me of home. Like, even when we landed in Madrid, it almost seemed as though we were landing in Pretoria if we were looking at like the landscape of it, which was kind of crazy. And then there were different parts of like the train ride that looked like different like scenes within South Africa, and it's just so beautiful, and I cannot wait to like explore it on foot tomorrow. We were supposed to actually have like a free day in Sarria today, okay, but because all of our flights and everything was pushed back by like at least 24 hours, we have just landed a few hours ago and we are starting our walk tomorrow like early morning, which is a little bit insane. Like, my body is so sore from that flight. I looked at like my neck string scores. I have slept a total of 3 hours in the last 24 hours. So I'm not doing as bad now, but I always get like more tired like the day after, like after I've gotten like sleep, which is very weird. But yeah, we are already connecting with people that is also starting like the pilgrimage tomorrow, and I think it's just like so beautiful and such a like a wholesome journey. And yeah, I'm scared, okay? I'm scared but excited, and yeah, starting the Camino tomorrow, like possibly like the adventure of a lifetime. What an honor, what a privilege. Okay, so tomorrow we are walking Sarria to Portomarin, so it's 21.5 kilometers. Okay, so wish me luck and I'll see you tomorrow. Our first little stop along the way, and I'm also getting my first like Spanish coffee. Apparently it's really good. I'm very excited to try it. I also got this little fridge magnet. Of course I get it at like the first stop, but isn't it beautiful? It's very strong, but the flavor is there. The flavor is nice. It does need some sugar.
the sun is out and it's getting hot like pretty quickly. It's around 9 o'clock right now, like 9:30-ish, and we still have, I think we are only like 3 kilometers in for the day. We are having like a very slow start to the day, so we truly have to start picking up the pace right now. It is honestly our own fault that we are taking so long, because we want to take pictures of everything, because everything is just so pretty and beautiful, and I just want to capture it all. I really have to like control myself to not constantly be pulling out the camera.
My first day of walking the Camino was actually a little bit of a culture shock. I expected to do a lot of city walking, and I was pleasantly surprised to find that it wasn't like that at all. Most of the route consisted of us walking past farms, but strangely enough, we didn't see a single soul other than other pilgrims, like no farmers, no inhabitants. This route was honestly a little bit of a ghost town. We didn't see a single car. Weird.
We are about 13 kilometers in. We still have about 9 to go. Guess what? We finally only have 100 kilometers to go to finish the Camino de Santiago. Yay! Hey, pretty! Second ice cream of the day. Per our calculations, we thought we had about 2 kilometers left, but just by looking at the map, it sort of seems that there's a possibility that we might have 7 kilometers left, and we are dead. My feet are killing me. Oh my gosh. It seems as though we have finally reached the town where we are supposed to sleep tonight. This is exquisitely beautiful. It is something like out of a picture. It's not over yet, and we still have to go up these stairs. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. But let me shower and refresh, and then we can debrief and talk about it. I feel so much better, but I'm actually starving, so I just ventured to the corner store and I browsed around there a little bit to see like what looks good and like what I can snack on. We have dinner in like an hour and a half, so we're probably going to eat food in around 2 hours, so I didn't want to get like too much. So this is what I got. I got this chilled coffee, like cappuccino thing. They have these kind of everywhere, And then I was looking for like a chip or something, and these actually stood out to me and looked really good. This is a tomato and oregano. They look like little, I don't know, like pockets. So okay, this is what they look like. It looks like small pizza pieces.
Yummy!
Oh well, that's freaking delicious. Wow. It almost tastes as though you are eating the like crust of a Regina pizza. If you don't know what I mean, I cannot explain that to you. Okay. Let me show you my view first. Like, this is what I'm currently looking at. Gorgeous, isn't it? There's like a lake. I believe that's a lake over there. Ah, and it's just stunning. I'm also basically like alone. I'm gonna do like some phone time right now. Girl dinner, girl dinner. This is this is about to slap. So listen, there is this foot massager in this room, and I haven't told you yet. It's part of the debrief, but my feet are literally killing me. I think I'm actually going to massage my feet in here. Let me translate the instructions. Take the disposable socks. This is them. Okay. Put your feet in the massager. Ooh. Okay. Insert 2 euros into the slot. Select the desired massage option. That's auto. Ooh. Relax for 5 minutes. Okay. That feels so freaking good. Oh my gosh, this feels good. I had some time to think about today, and I know that I owe you a debrief. So I'm going to try and keep it like relatively short and sweet. And that is that it is so much harder than I thought it would be. Like, I underestimated it entirely. I'm not entirely sure how much better I could have prepared for this. I think I should have done like a few like really rocky hikes so that more so heels actually. But I think it's also just like the heat. It was like 35 degrees today. It was just incredibly hard. The views were incredible. The sounds fantastic. Like, there were so many things that I loved about this, but I kept going back and forth between like, oh, this is amazing, this is fantastic, this is like the best thing ever, and why the hell do people do this to themselves and put themselves through this? So I don't know, it was a bit of like a crazy day. Also, my shoes personally attacked me. My feet are so sore. I'm not entirely sure like why, how, or whatever. I also just saw that both of my Klein Twinkies have a blazer on them or blisters. So really, I'm just not a huge fan of the foot situation right now. I'm going to try and walk with different sneakers tomorrow and see if it makes like any difference at all. Maybe it will, I don't know. I just know that this was hard, and we started walking around 8 o'clock, 8:30 or something, and we only finished at around 5. So that was what?
Okay, it's 4 past 5.
It's about 9 hours of walking, which
is a lot. Tomorrow is a bigger distance, longer distance, and it's also a little warmer tomorrow. So I don't know, I just truly hope that we are going to be okay. Anyway, that is it from me. I'm going to go to bed and like try and sleep as much as I can. It's still light outside and it's 11 o'clock already. So I'm going to figure out how to close that thing. Stay tuned for the next part of the journey because I'm so excited for the views and I cannot wait to share it with you. Okay, bye.